Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might hit close to home for some of us. Gray hair. We all know it's a natural part of aging, but sometimes those silver strands can creep up sooner than we'd like. The good news? We're diving into the science of gray hair and exploring the exciting world of reversal options, including a fantastic product called Mayraki's Anti-Gray Hair Color Restoring Treatment. Let's start with some hair biology. The color of our hair comes from pigment cells called melanocytes. These little guys produce melanin, a pigment that gives hair its color, whether it's blonde, brunette, or anything in between. As we age, melanin production in these melanocytes slows down. Eventually, it can stop altogether, leading to the growth of gray hair. There are other factors that can also contribute to graying, like genetics, stress, and even certain medical conditions. So, the big question, can we actually reverse gray hair? The answer depends on the cause. If genetics are the culprit, a complete reversal might not be possible. However, there are some promising options for stimulating melanin production and encouraging your natural hair color to return. This is where Mayraki's Anti-Gray Hair Color Restoring Treatment comes in. This innovative formula is packed with natural ingredients that work synergistically too. 1. Support melanin production. Key ingredient like Polygonum multiflorum root extract and other active ingredients induce melanin synthesis in melanin-producing cells. 2. Reduce free radical damage. Antioxidants like Carthamus tinctorius extract is key in promoting hair growth and blocking DHT, a hormone linked to graying of hair. 3. Nourish the scalp. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Biota, orientalis leaf extract has antibacterial properties and helps control sebum production, reducing scalp irritation. While results may vary depending on the individual, Mayraki's anti-gray treatment can help you achieve 1. A gradual return of your natural hair color. 2. Reduced appearance of gray hair. 3. Overall healthier, stronger hair. With the right knowledge, products like Mayraki's anti-gray treatment, and a touch of self-love, you can manage your gray hair journey with confidence and explore your options for regaining your natural color. Listen to what our clients say about their transformative experiences with Mayraki Anti-Gray Hair Color Restoring Treatment. Interested in learning more about Mayraki's anti-gray treatment? Head over to the link in the description below. There you can find more information and see if this product might be a good fit for your hair goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.